Okay, guys, so this is a good old Amazon brown bag flip. Guys, I haven't done other projects with this, but I definitely wanted to included it here in my upcycle, recycle, trash to treasure projects that I'm doing here. So when I get Amazon packages in these brown envelopes, it makes my heart so happy because I know that I'm going to flip them into some cute decor. So I just painted it with a Boss Bond just to cover up all of the writing. Honestly, I really didn't need to do that, but it made me myself feel better by doing that. Then now I'm just putting on some Mod Podge, and then the check fabric is from Hobby Lobby. I just ripped out a square of that, and then just Mod Podging that onto the front of my envelope. I didn't even worry about putting anything on the back. I actually just painted it kind of like a burlap color because I wasn't going to see that anyway. But definitely you could make this two-sided if you wanted to. Anyway, just Mod Podging on the top of it just so that everything is nice and ready for my instant coffee and my cinnamon. I love to do this, just grunge it up a bit. My craft room was smelling really good. And if grunge is not your thing, then leave that off. But I am here to inspire you just to create different things, and especially with Amazon or any kind of envelopes that you have that you can see some potential. Now, the fabrics, as I mentioned, come from Hobby Lobby. So then those stars, I just ripped out a rectangle of that and just Mod Podge that to the top, and then also added some Mod Podge and also some coffee and some cinnamon and all of that good stuff. Now, it's the next day, and my foam and just pulled out some of the flowers that I had in my stash and just kind of stuffed those in there, and it just really just turned out really nice. Now, for a hanger, I'm using a 4-ply jute rope that I get from Hobby Lobby, and so I just tied that rope there in each corner. And then instead of making any kind of big bow or anything like that, I'm just using some, it looks like cheesecloth, but it actually is a table runner that you can get from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. I get the ivory one, and I just take my vintage photo distress ink and just grunge it up. I don't even coffee stain it or anything. I just use my ink to grunge it up, and then it just looks really nice and perfect for my door. So it's just an idea to recycle, upcycle, and use those brown envelopes. Take it from trash to treasure.